Yo, look at this. Hold on. Who do you know? Who do you know plucks wigs this good? Period. Period.
I can't be weak. No, you can't touch this. Hey, bitch, I do rich. My money thick. Hey, walk with a limp. I'm on some pimp. Hey, he say you all about money. Yeah, I'm on that cash.
What's up, Valley Nation? I'm back again with another freaking video. I'm back again. What's up, Valley Nation? I'm back again with another freaking video. I'm back again. Hold on. I'm back again. I already know by the title. I'm coming in clutch again with the how-to videos when it comes to your hair. I'm going to be showing you guys how I pluck my wigs. I make my wigs look, more natural or whatever. So yeah, I want to say thank you so much to Sunwell for sending me this wig. It is a 13x6 short bob wig. It's a Brazilian human hair lace front wig. So y'all should go in the description box right now and get yourself a wig from Sunwell Wigs. They're the best. Thank you so much for sponsoring this video. And yeah, pause this video right now. Give it a thumbs up. Follow my social media platforms. They'll be in the description box below. Turn on your post notifications because I'm going to be giving post notification shout outs at the end of every single one of my videos. So stay tuned. And most importantly, hit that subscribe button. It helps me a lot. Join the gang, join the family, we lit or whatever. And with all that being said, let's go. Y'all, so I really don't want to talk too much in this video, but the wig I'm going to be demonstrating with was sent to me by Sunwell. Like I said, it came in this cute packaging. And when you open it, it has the wig cap. It has 2 wig caps and a thank you note. Thank you so much for sending me this wig. I'm going to show you guys how the wig looks like and how it looked like on the website so you guys can know it is legit. It was, I think, $70, which is so affordable for a human hair wig. And it's Brazilian. It's a lace front wig too. That's perfect. So this is the wig. This is how it came. I will be wearing it in a bit, but I just want to show y'all how the wig looks like, straight out the box. It's so cute. And I like the lace because it's like soft, it's not hard, so you can tell that it's going to blend properly. It says it has been pretty pre-plucked, but I kind of want my wig to be a little bit more natural looking, so I'm going to pluck it a little bit more, and that's exactly the point of this video, so I can show you guys how I pluck my wigs. But I am satisfied with this wig. It is so soft and I'm happy with it. Thank you so much, Sunwell, for sending me this wig. Y'all did your thing. This is how the hairline looks. Before I even start plucking it, I just want to show y'all. This is the hairline. It's not a bad hairline. I just like my wigs looking, a little bit more natural. So I'm going to pluck it more. This is the hairline. So yeah. Alright guys, so for this video, all you will need is, of course, your wig, your mannequin head, a little pair of scissors, rat tooth comb, some clips, a spray bottle with some water in it, and then some push pins. So the first thing I'm going to do is use my push pins to pin down the lace in front, the remaining lace right here, you can see in front. So I'm going to put one on this side, one on this side, one at the extreme end, and the other extreme end. Mind you, it doesn't matter how you place these pins, this is just how I do it. So when I'm done pinning down the lace, I'm just going to spray the front of the hair with some water. Not too much, you don't want to soak the whole hair, you just want it a little bit wet. Take that out real quick. I just want the hair a little bit wet. So yeah, I need one more pin down here. Okay. So now I'm just spraying the hairline of the wig so that it will be easier to pluck. It's very easy to pluck your hair when it is wet, so that's the whole point of this. Now after I spray the hairline, I'm going to grab my rat tooth comb and comb it out so I can see what I'm working with and how the hairline looks before I start to pluck. To make it easier to pluck, I sectioned my hair into 6 parts. This is one of them, the one very close to the ear, the one in the middle, and the one close to the middle part. And I'm going to do the same thing for the other side, so that equals 6. So I'm just going to use my clip to hold down the rest of the hair that I'm not going to be plucking. I'm going to deal with this side that's, you know, left out, and I'm combing right now. So yeah, I'm going to spread that a little bit more so it will be easier to pluck. Honestly, the way it looks right now, it doesn't look too bad. It doesn't look bad at all, because like I said, it says this is a pre-plucked wig, so it looks pretty pre-plucked, but I want it a little bit more, you know, natural. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use the tail of my rat tooth comb to separate the baby hairs from the rest of the hairs, and I'm going to grab my tweezers, hold on to the baby hair, and then start plucking backwards. Make sure you're actually plucking and not just going back and forth. Mind you, you do not have to go this fast. Take your time. Plucking is not something you have to rush, because if you over pluck, there's nothing you can do about it. Go bits by bits so you know what you are left with and what you have to do. After plucking a little bit, take your rat tooth comb and comb it out so you can see, you know, the difference between when you started and where you are now. So yeah, I'm just going to use the tail of my comb again to take out a little bit hair and add it to the baby hairs in front, and I'm going to repeat that same process again. Use my tweezers to pluck the rest of the hair backwards, and I'm going to keep doing that, plucking, then using my tail comb to add to the front hair, which is, you know, the baby hairs. Then I'm going to keep plucking again. Don't forget, as the hair dries out, put more water out, because it's easier to pluck your hair while it is wet. So yeah, don't over pluck your hair either. I'm going to comb it again to see the difference, and then I'm going to keep plucking. Comb it again. Now I'm going to take the tail of the comb again, add some more hair to the front, and then keep plucking. I'm going to repeat this same routine over and over again until I feel satisfied with the work. So I'm going to keep going and show you guys the end product when I'm done with this section of the hair. So this is how it looks like after I'm done plucking. Look at the one I plucked and the one that I haven't plucked. There's a significant difference. So this is how the wig is looking. I have plucked 3 sections. This is how the wig looked like before I started plucking, and this is the end result of one side. I had to pluck the middle a little bit too, because it was kind of a straight line and I wanted it to look more natural. So I'm really satisfied with my plucking results, y'all. Y'all need to go ahead and pluck yours, because this is so cute, y'all. So I am now done plucking. This is how it looks like, and this is the other side. So I'm going to install the hair and see how it looks like after I plucked it. Alright y'all, so this is the finished look. This is how I pluck my wigs. I hope this tutorial helped you guys. If it did, let me know in the comment section below. This wig was so easy to pluck, was so easy to style. I'm excited. I have orientation tomorrow, so I'm definitely going to wear this wig. It is soft, it is bomb. It's just the best, simple. Y'all should go to the link in the description box below and check out their wigs. They have really, really nice wigs. And if you want to get this, the link is going to be in the description box below as well. Let's twin, let's be cute together. If you buy a wig from them, take pictures and send them to me. I'm going to post them on my Instagram. So yeah, I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Get into my lace, A, into my lace, A, get into my lace, A, into my A, hold on.